you guys. So today I am doing another hair video. As you can see, if you haven't noticed, I took out my hair from the last video I did, which was crocheting my hair for the first time. If you haven't watched that, if you haven't seen it, make sure you just go watch it. But anyways, besides that, today I am going to be doing another hair video, but actually I'm not doing my hair. My mom is going to be doing my hair. She is going to be straightening it she's going to straighten it for me. It's been a long time since I have gotten my hair straightened, so I'm so excited to see how much my hair has grown. So we're going to see if it have grown to my liking. Today I'm going to be just detangling my hair. Tomorrow I'm gonna wash my hair and blow dry it. Let's just get right into it. Before we get too far into this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and stay tuned and share with your friends and family, you know, if you want to. You don't have to. I'm gonna get started on detangling my hair. I'm going to take it out from this sponge. I'm calling it sponge because it is very much, it's giving sponge. This is SpongeBob. Yeah, it's giving a sponge. Okay, we're gonna stop. If you're watching, thank you very much. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. But we're gonna use this broke big comb here. My hair sometimes it don't wanna cooperate right, so it be breaking my combs. And I don't appreciate that.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Today. Oh my God, what is that?
This is a real workout for the arms, man. Okay, that's good enough. Too tight. So I'm gonna part this down with my fingers here.
Many minutes later.
So we finally have the two sections right here. It's giving very much stiff. So I'm going to be using water and this brush right here. Ooh. Yeah. Okay, so now that it's all nice and brushed, we're gonna go in with, okay, the comb. The comb really does it, y'all. The brush wasn't doing much, I guess, because this is, yeah. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna comb this out and I'll get back to you guys. We're going to now section it off in 3 parts right here. We about to braid it. Okay, y'all see that? This is one down, and that by itself took like 5 minutes maybe. Just this. Yeah, sponge. This is what you call a sponge. I could literally wash the dishes with this. Okay, y'all, so it is 8:51 right now. I started this around like 7:48.
Hola, soy Dora. Do you see the subscribe button?
should turn gray. Have you clicked the subscribe button? Dora can't see. It looks like you haven't. If you clicked it, you did very good. Muy bueno. Adios, amigos. Hit subscribe. So this took more than an hour. I am now working on the front, as you guys can see. I'm gonna just get right into it because this already took long enough. One more to go. Yes, one more. Just uno. That's it. Y'all see that? Okay, so we are done. It's all nice. So let me show y'all. Let's just get into it. So that is all today. I'm gonna get back to you guys tomorrow. Okay guys, so it is the next day. It is actually around 7:54, so it's pretty late, and I just washed my hair like 2 hours ago. So I'm gonna get started on blow drying right now. We're just gonna get right into it because it's getting late. It's late. I'm going to use oil moisturizer, which is good because oil helps lock in the moisture. And I'm going to use my brush and my comb. Brushing out this section right here. This is going to be pretty loud, so if you have AirPods in, headphones in, whatever you have in, or your volume is very loud, please turn it down. Pretty hot, y'all. Okay, so as y'all can see, pretty much dry right now. So I'm just gonna go in with the comb it out. I'm trying to blow dry this straight as possible. I'm gonna use some grease here. It's not much. I barely have any. Like, what is that? But we're gonna use what we can. Go back in. We're gonna melt the grease in their hair. Just braiding it up. Okay, now see, that one is done. Look at that. We're gonna do the same thing to the other side right now. Look at it. And it's flat too. Okay, you guys, I'm doing a voiceover right now because the background is a little loud. But as you guys can see, I'm finished. It's all looking nice and slayed. Okay, y'all see the lashes. I had did my makeup. I was feeling myself. But I'm going to get back to you guys when I get my hair straightened. But just look at it. Just look at it. I can't wait till I see the inches, you know, when I get my hair straightened. Just can't wait. Can't wait. Oh my God. Okay, guys, a full disclaimer here. My mom had to wash my hair again. Yeah, I'm not gonna go into full detail onto why, but you guys see the nose. Y'all see the nose? Do y'all see them? Yes, my sister did them for me. It's just perfect. But I'm gonna get back to you guys.
3 hours later.
Okay, guys, I am finished. Y'all, look at the hair.
Look at the shine. Look at the body. Stop playing with her.
It is really
don't play with her.
giving. My mother did an awesome job on it, and I'm so happy with the results of how it looks.
Stop playing with her.
Yep, I'm about to go get it wrapped now. So I'll meet you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching. If you watched the whole thing, thank you very much.
Her hair is looking fab. Like
I did her hair. Go watch that video if you
Yes, go
haven't.
watch that video.
But yeah, this is it.